Imagine standing in the coldest places on Earth, where temperatures plunge to unimaginable lows. First up, we have Vostok Station in Antarctica, hitting a bone-chilling -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit in 1983. Next, the summit of Mount Everest recorded a staggering -148 degrees Fahrenheit. Then there's Oymyakon, Russia, where locals brave -67.7 degrees Fahrenheit in winter. Don't forget the Siberian town of Verkhoyansk, also reaching -67.7 degrees, making it one of the coldest inhabited places. Finally, the East Antarctic Plateau, where temperatures can dip below -135 degrees Fahrenheit. These frigid extremes remind us just how harsh our planet can be.